easy. Yeah, you're good. Left a little bit. All right, go straight now. Keep it coming. A little bit to the right. Come on. All right, that's good. That's good. No.
Alright guys, so here's the Land Rover back. We got a new injector, so he's about to tell you what we just did to it.
All right.
Okay.
I took everything out here. This is the top stuff. Is
The air intake and
the air intake and the filter and all of that
the
stuff
cover.
out there. That's simple to take out. Then after that, I unplugged all of the coil packs and the injectors. After taking this piece, this is a heat shield type of thing. It's a rubbery piece that was up
right here. You gotta take out the oil cap right here. You gotta take that out, and then that piece comes out.
And unplugged all of the wires of the coils and the injectors, which is in here. You can see all of the injectors go in here and the coil wires go in there. That's what they are. And then I just unplugged those, whatever I can reach, because it's just make it easy for this to come off.
Yeah, so you can get some more slack in the wire.
Yeah, and those to come off, all to do is just push in the clip in here, just push it in and pull it up. There's one in here, one in the back here, and I didn't even move this, I just left it alone. Oh, this is the gas line. This gas line, let me see where the other piece hooks up to it. This gas line got a red piece in here that you're gonna have to push in, and you pull it out. This one, the vacuum, you push in the two sides. You push in the two sides and it just pulls out for the vacuum. For the, where the hell did it go?
Up here?
The gas line? No, that's right
Oh,
here.
back there.
Right here. That's a clip goes hold on into the other clip up in here, this clip. So you just pull it up, push it out, push it in, and that comes out on here. So all that you have to do, just
You just gotta take
do
that out.
and that comes out. Watch out, there's pressure on this. And when you put it back, you just clip it back in
there's
here.
pressure of gas, so you guys can see there's a little gas spill. We'll clean that up.
Then I took in, ooh, that's not supposed to be hooked up. That's why it doesn't want to go.
Yeah, I guess not.
That's the gas line. All right, carry on. Let me take this out.
Alright guys, so we just pulled this line out with the flathead. But we're gonna call it quits tonight so we can get tools cleaned up. This just goes into here. It's really tight fit, but it goes in there. You gotta take these two bolts out. And then you're basically done. Alright guys, so last night you guys saw us doing that injector. The injector and the fuel rail. We did that, and we went ahead, might as well just change these. Dad, what are these called? These. PCVs. These, which one is it? One of these are really bad. There's a rip in one of these, or both of them. They have a rip in this. So if you guys sometimes get smoke from the exhaust, it's just because of that. And we changed it up, and it started up. It took a little cranking, of course, to get fuel to those injectors, but look at this. No check engine lights. We read codes. No code found. Run smooth. No hesitation. Also, to put the injector back on, you guys need this hammer tool. I'll show you guys. This bit up top clips onto the injector, and you can hammer it down just like this, or hammer it up, hammer it down, hammer it up. Really good tool. We got this from Amazon next day shipping. But hey, it's running well. No smoking, no hesitation, no weird smell, no lights, no code. Yeah, it's bad. It's more out of the driver's side. On the driver's side, it's smoking way more on the driver's side than the passenger.